Hi, Georgina here at the Milford Window Company. Following on from my reel last week where we visited Jane's house and looked at a recent Residence 9 installation, I thought I would go through a bit more detail the Residence 9 window. So we install many window systems, Residence 9 being, I suppose you could call it the Rolls-Royce, the PVC world. This window was designed with homes in conservation areas in mind, to replicate the original 19th century timber windows. The main features of this window are the traditional timber join and the flush sash. It comes in a huge array of colours. I think there's 21 options. You can have a different colour outside to inside. The colour runs all the way through the reveal of the window, so even when the window is open, it still has that authentic timber look. Every detail has been considered with this window. It can work on traditional working butt hinges. If I just turn the window around, you'll see on the inside that they feature a traditional peg stay as well to work alongside the working butt hinge. So if I open this up like so, you really cannot believe that this is not a timber window. Astracal bars, many options. We can replicate the layout that you have in your home, so you may have a simple cross like this, or just one cottage bar going across, or obviously this is a sample window. You may have huge windows, so which may involve a more intricate layout. Many options. All these windows are bespoke to your needs. Unlike a traditional PVC window, which is 70mm deep, the R9 is 100mm deep and includes 9 chambers. A normal PVC window will have about 5. This means that this window has superior acoustic, thermal and security properties. The R9 can come with double glazing, or you can upgrade to triple glazing. Triple glazing can offer a U value of 0.74, which achieves passive house standard. Old timber window sills were deep. The Radlington Cill has been designed to replicate that look and to accompany the R9 window so that you can have that overall traditional look of a timber window. We are a recognised certified installer of residence products. If you would like to visit us and have a look at this sample and others we have, please get in touch and you can make an appointment to come and see us. It's really useful if you bring along a photograph of your home so that we can advise on the correct window for your home.